back to our series on the Yoruba language. Today's lesson covers Yoruba greetings. Last lesson we talk about Yoruba numbers from 25 to 50. If you are just joining us for the first time, please go back to our previous episodes to check what we've done so far on this channel. You are welcome back once again. Today we are going to be talking about Yoruba greetings. Yoruba greetings vary depending on the time of the day, situation, and the relationship between the speakers. Here we will explain some of the most common greetings and their context. Please follow me. If you want to say, "How is everything?" or "How are you?" in Yoruba, you say, "Báwo ni nǹkan?" Báwo ni nǹkan? If you want to say good night or you want to say until morning in Yoruba, you say ó dàárọ̀. Ó dàárọ̀. If you want to say how are you or how is it, you say báwo ni. Báwo ni. Báwo ni. If you want to say hello there, hello there, you say pẹ̀lẹ́ o. Pẹ̀lẹ́ o. If you want to say see you when you come back or goodbye, if you want to say it in Yoruba, you say ó dàbọ̀. Maybe somebody is going to somewhere and you want to say goodbye, you say ó dàbọ̀. Say ó dàbọ̀. If you want to say be careful, be careful in Yoruba, you say ẹ rọra. Ẹ rọra. That's be careful. Ẹ rọra. Ẹ rọra. Be careful. If you want to say, are you in good health? Are you in good health? Or how are you? How are you? You say ṣé àlàáfíà ni. Ṣé àlàáfíà ni. Ṣé àlàáfíà ni. If you want to say, what is that? What is that in Yoruba? You say kí nìyẹn. Kí nìyẹn. What is that? Kí nìyẹn. If you want to say see you next time. See you next time. Or you want to say goodbye in Yoruba, you say ó dìgbà. Ó dìgbà. Ó dìgbà. If you want to say see you later, maybe someone passed on and you want to express your feelings to the person, you just say ó dìgbò ṣe. That's see you later. Ó dìgbò ṣe. They normally use it for someone that is dead. Ó dìgbò ṣe. Ó dìgbò ṣe. See you next time is ó dìgbà. If you want to say sleep well in Yoruba, if you want to say sleep well, you say àsùnjí o. Àsùnjí o. Àsùnjí o. Yoruba people greet others with some special courtesy, and this is done by inserting the universal greeting verb, which is kú between the subject, the person being greeted, and the circumstances prevailing. For example, greetings for this morning or good morning, they will say ẹ káàárọ̀. They will say ẹ káàárọ̀. Ẹ káàárọ̀. And if they want to greet themselves in afternoon, they will say ẹ káàsán. Ẹ káàsán. That is good afternoon. Good afternoon. They will say ẹ káàsán. Ẹ káàsán. Ẹ káàsán. If they want to greet themselves, maybe good evening, they will say ẹ kú rọ̀lẹ́ or ẹ káalẹ́. So those are some Yoruba basic greetings. If somebody asks you how are you, I know by now you should be able to answer them in Yoruba that how are you? Báwo ni nǹkan? You want to ask someone that how are you? That's báwo ni nǹkan. Báwo ni nǹkan? Practice these greetings with friends or during your study section. Try to use them in appropriate context to get comfortable with their pronunciation and usage. Thank you for joining us for today's lesson on Yoruba greetings. Keep practicing and don't hesitate to use these greetings in your daily interactions to enrich your command of the Yoruba language. See you in our next section where we'll be discussing about how to pronounce words in Yoruba language. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment box. We would like to hear from you. We would like to hear your comment. Please kindly drop your comment in the comment section if you have any comment. So the next episode will be on how to pronounce words in Yoruba language. I know you will love it. See you in our next lesson.